Dear friends, welcome to Know Thyself YouTube channel. Hope you're all staying safe and keeping well. In the last episode of the Know Your Body segment, we elaborated on the first building block of the human body cell. In today's episode, we will briefly consider the second building block of the human body tissues. The tissues consist of a group of cells that have similar structure and function together as a unit. A non-cellular material called the intercellular matrix fills the spaces between the cells in a tissue. Some tissues contain large amount of intercellular matrix, while other tissues have minimal amount. The intercellular matrix also contains special substances such as salts and fibers unique to a specific tissue, which gives the tissue distinctive characteristics. All tissues found in the human body can be categorized into four types: epithelial tissues, connective tissues, muscle tissues, and nervous tissues. Each of these types is designed to perform some specific function. We briefly consider each of these types. First, epithelial tissues. They are found throughout the body. They cover all body surfaces, line body cavities and hollow organs, and are the major tissues that form the glands. They perform functions such as protection, secretion, absorption, excretion, filtration, diffusion, and sensory reception. The cells that form the epithelial tissue are tightly packed together with a little intercellular matrix. There is only one space between the two cells, and this space is occupied by the non-cellular basement membrane, which is made up of the mixture of carbohydrates and proteins secreted by the epithelial and connective tissue cells. The epithelial tissues are squamous, that is scale-like, and columnar in shape, and are arranged in single and multiple or stratified layers. The second, the connective tissues. The connective tissues occur throughout the body. They are made up of large amount of intercellular matrix with relatively few cells. The connective tissues do the following functions. They bind together structures, form frameworks and supports for organs and the whole body. They store fat, transport substances, protect against diseases, and help repair damage. Third, the muscle tissues. The muscle tissues are composed of cells that have the ability to contract, and they facilitate movement of body parts. They are densely cellular and possess good number of blood vessels. They are muscle fibers arranged in bundles or layers and often surrounded by connective tissues. Their function is facilitated by two contractile proteins, actin and myosin. Fourth, the nervous tissues. Nervous tissues are found in the brain, spinal cord, and the nerves. They coordinate and control many body activities, such as stimulating muscle contraction, creating awareness of the environment, and playing a major role in emotions, memory, and reasoning. To perform these functions, the cells of the nervous tissue must communicate with each other using electric impulses. The neurons, the nerve cells of the nervous tissue, generate and conduct these impulses. The neurons of the nervous tissues have three main parts. First, the cell body. It is the main part of the neuron and performs all general functions. The second, the dendrites. They are extensions of the cytoplasm. that carry impulses to the cell body. Third, the axon. It is another extension that carries impulses away from the cell body. The nervous tissues also include cells that do not transmit impulses, namely the neurolia or the neuronal cells. They support the activities of the neurons. They bind together neurons, they insulate neurons, they protect neurons from bacterial invasion, and they provide nutrients to neurons by binding blood vessels to the neurons. Dear friends, our analysis of the second building block of the human body tissues, clearly shows that the wonderful plan, the divine architect in arrangement of the body tissues. He has built into each tissue a specific purpose to be accomplished. He has arranged the support system to sustain and maintain the more delicate nervous cells, the neurons, in neurolia. He has made the various types of tissues with diverse functions acting in coordination so that body could act as a single unit. He has seen that there exists specific coordination between muscle tissues and connective tissues to give movement to the body. May our awareness of the second building block of the human body tissues, help us to appreciate the wonder our body is. Treat our bodies with respect and sensitivity. Take good care of our body. Thank you for watching this video. Stay blessed until we see you again with another video.